The NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop Lilac is a compact and stylish coffee machine that brews rich, flavorful coffee at the touch of a button. Its fast heat-up time and multiple cup size options make everyday coffee easy and convenient. What's in the box? In the box, you find the NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop Lilac coffee machine, cup holder, Nespresso capsule set, water tank, and user manual. How to use? After cleaning your machine, you're ready to make your first coffee, a latte, an Aussie favorite. Start by selecting a double espresso Chiaro capsule, known for its rich medium roast with woody and caramel notes, and ensure your water tank is filled before turning the machine on. As the machine heats up, prepare your milk using an Aerochino by filling it to the appropriate line, depending on whether you want a latte or cappuccino-style froth, then start frothing. Once the light on your machine is steady, insert the capsule, lock it, and press the button to brew your espresso. Finally, pour the fresh espresso into your cup and gently add the frothed milk in a steady stream to create a smooth cafe-style latte. How to pair? To connect your NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop Lilac to the Nespresso Smart app, first download and update the app to the latest version on your mobile device. Then ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled and stay close to the machine. Open the app, create a new account or login, and select Add a Machine. Choose your Vertuo Pop and have your Wi-Fi password ready. Accept the Bluetooth pairing request, select your Wi-Fi network when it appears, and enter the password to complete setup. Once connected, your machine is ready for smart control. If it is in standby mode, simply press the coffee button to wake it up. How to clean? To clean your NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop Lilac, start by rinsing the water tank and lid, then refill the tank with fresh drinking water and place it back on the machine. Open the machine head to eject any used capsule, then empty and rinse the capsule container, drip tray, and cup support. Make sure no capsule remains inside the machine before placing a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet. Close the machine, lock the handle, and wait for it to heat up. Once ready, press the coffee button 3 times within 2 seconds to start the cleaning cycle. The machine will automatically flush water through the system, a process that takes about 7 minutes, with water beginning to flow after approximately 2 minutes. When the button light becomes steady, the cleaning process is complete. Avoid using strong chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or solvents, as they may damage the machine.
Smart features?
The machine reads each capsule's barcode and automatically adjusts brewing settings for the perfect coffee every time. This ensures optimal extraction, aroma, and flavor with no manual adjustments required. Simply insert a capsule and press a single button to start brewing. The automated operation makes preparing coffee quick, easy, and consistent. Supports a variety of coffee formats, from espresso to larger mug-sized drinks. This versatility allows you to enjoy different coffee styles with one machine. Its space-saving footprint fits easily on kitchen counters, desks, or small spaces. The colorful contemporary design adds a stylish touch to any environment. Connect via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to access machine settings, maintenance alerts, and updates. The app also simplifies cleaning, descaling, and overall machine management.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop Lilac. See you at the next one.